The Montech Air 903 base is a standout choice for budget-conscious PC builders, proving that you don't need to break the bank to get a quality case. After testing numerous budget PC cases, this model has impressed us with its exceptional value for money. If you're someone who prioritizes function over form, this case is designed with you in mind. One of the standout features of the Air 903 base is its flexibility when it comes to installing liquid cooling components. It provides ample space and options for setting up your cooling system without the hefty price tag that often accompanies high-performance builds. With the savings you achieve here, you can allocate those funds toward better cooling solutions, additional RAM, or even upgrading your graphics card or CPU. While the Air 903 base may not have the eye-catching aesthetics of glass panel cases or the sleek finish of more expensive aluminum models, it more than makes up for it in practicality. This case is the perfect companion for the budget-strapped enthusiast who still wants to create a powerful gaming rig or workstation. It features multiple storage bays, which are essential for those who need to house extra drives, and it comes equipped with 3 powerful fans that deliver respectable cooling performance. The airflow dynamics in the Air 903 base are commendable, ensuring that your components stay cool even during intensive tasks. It's a straightforward design that prioritizes usability, making it easy to build and manage your cables. Overall, the Montech Air 903 base is a fantastic option for anyone looking to build a budget-friendly PC without sacrificing performance or expandability. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced builder, this case provides everything you need to get started on your next project while keeping costs down.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.